Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to save a website as a PDF on your computer. To basically print as PDF. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So let's say you want to use the Google Chrome web browser for today's tutorial, and you want to go navigate to the menu icon in the top right corner of the browser screen. It's three vertical dots. Go ahead and left click on that, and then select the option that says print. Alternatively, you could tap the Control P combination on your keyboard. Where it says destination, click inside this drop down, set it to save as PDF, and then select the save button. You will then be prompted with a dialog window of where you want to save this file. And there you go guys, simple as that. I'm just going to save it to desktop, and then if I close it here, and if I open it up, it should open up in Microsoft Edge since I do not have Adobe Reader on here, but we're going to go open it up in Edge because there is a built-in PDF reader. And there you go guys, you can see it is now in a PDF file format. It probably won't look pretty depending on what you're printing to a PDF, but generally speaking this is how you would do it. So normally, obviously, if it was just pure text, that'd probably be more ideal, but you guys get the gist of what we did. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.